Are you struggling with paper planners, digital planners, calendars, to-do lists, notebooks, all the things? Oh my gosh, you and me both. I have had and been working with all year all of these things. And what you don't see is the office calendar, the office to-do list, the digital calendar, the digital tasks, the whole thing. So not only do I have a lot of paper products that I'm trying to keep on top of, but I also have digital products that I'm trying to keep on top of. And I've realized, and hopefully I have found the best solution to keep me organized and simplify my systems. Look what came, my new planner. I cannot wait to unbox it with you. It is going to change my life. Well, yeah, don't we all have hopes that planners are gonna do everything for us? The only issue is we've got to plan and we've got to put things in. And for me, it's about making it simple and trying not to overcomplicate it. So I am not going into stickers and all that thing, but I am gonna use some washi tape because I think that'll be fun. So let's open this up. Oh, I am so excited. Oh, and look at the packaging. And it said, planners for the way you think, right here. So this is a Laurel Denise planner. This is a horizontal weekly planner. I'm so excited. So I am gonna open this up with you and I'm gonna show you how I set it up. And every week I'm gonna start planning the week ahead so that I can stay on task, that I can uncomplicate my life with to-do lists and put everything in one place. Are you ready for this? This is gonna be so much fun. Look how cool this is. Planners for the way you think. I love this. The same planners for the way you think is the same there as up there. This is it. It's got this great pocket right here. And then these two, you are here, you are also here. This is great. It's got this edge. And then you open up to the first page. Get inspired before you begin. I love that it gives you what you need to do. And a nice little note over here. And then these are 2025 holidays, goals, things to remember, all in here for every month. Special dates and events. That's so great. And then this is where we start. So it's going to start Monday the 30th. One of my biggest decisions was whether I wanted to start with a Monday or Sunday start. And my thinking was that I wanted to have the Saturday and Sunday combined right here to make it easier for like weekends and things I want to do like that, instead of having a Sunday here, then Monday going through the week. So that's how I chose that. I'm used to having a Sunday start for my work and calendar and the wall calendars that I use, but I thought this would be a good way to start. And then I love how we have it all on one page so that you can see exactly, this is the 30th down to the 5th, so this is the first week. And then you have more to do today, this week, and then you have this bigger section over here to put more things. And then there's this task habit tracker right here, which I love. So I am going to, and then it goes by week, so it's so cool. So then you have the next week, and I'm gonna start filling this in, and I'll show you exactly what I do and how I set it up so that it'll give you an idea of what it might look like for you. So much fun starting out planning my planner for the first time. And I wanted to go back and give you a little bit more information about how I want to use it versus what I've been doing in the past. So I work part-time for a company that I started, built, sold, and I still work in the same capacity for this company remotely. The company's in New York, it's a fashion PR firm, and I continue to do the same behind the scenes work that I've always done, just on a limited hour sort of situation. So all the work that I do for that job is digital. Since it's remote, I have a digital calendar, it's with Outlook, everything sort of goes into that. And then I use a notebook like this to write down any meetings or things I need to do. So I have two types of things. I have a digital for that job, and I have a notebook that I can write down everything that I need to do and to-do list. So I really do like having both. Then for the second part of what I need is for everything to do with Ridgely's Radar. So that includes posting content, creating content, video editing, all the things, keeping track of my different affiliates, my customers, and then I have the beauty business, so that's there. So this is gonna be for the beauty business, the website, YouTube, Instagram, all those things. Sort of like a social media content calendar, and then to-do lists and tasks. And that's where I went down a rabbit hole of a separate calendar, to-do lists, another notebook, a tracker, a wall calendar, all the things. And so what I wanted to do was simplify all that into one thing. So keeping the work, the part-time job in one place digitally with the notebook, and then this planner is going to be the hub of everything that I need to do for my beauty business, website, social media. So that's what's in here. And then I need to put a little bit of like personal things so that I know what I'm doing. So hopefully that explains where I'm going with this and my mindset on what I'm gonna put in here. So I did do a deep dive into the Laurel Denise YouTube. I watched different planners and things that they did. And so this first iteration, my first week, is just trying to get it down on paper. So I think a lot of people get a new planner and then they get scared to put things in it and mess it up because it's all clean and nice and neat and tidy, and they're like, oh God, I'm gonna mess it up. Well, the whole point is to use it. And in the past, that also kind of got me panicking, like, oh my God, I don't want to mess it up and I don't want to make a mistake. So I'm going to show you what I ended up doing, and I am loving these pens. They're an erasable pen. It's by Pilot. It's called a Friction, and that's what it looks like right there. This is the one that pulls out like this, and then I have another kind here. Let me see if I get it. That's like a clickable one. I had to figure out how to click it. You click it like this. So this is a clickable, and this is eraser on this end, and it comes in different colors and different point sizes. This is a 0.7. It may be a little bit too big for this planner, so I think I'm going to try to go down to the 0.38 or the 0.5 and write smaller, but I'm just finding my way, and that's why I want to do it 1 week at a time. I don't want to overwhelm myself. I also don't want to not get out of my head into the paper what I need to. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn this around, I'm going to walk you through what I did, and then next week I'll be back with what I do for next week. I'm also going to share, hopefully over the next few weeks, how I do and keep track of my social media content, because I do that with a planner in, not a planner, I wouldn't say it's a planner, it's more like a visual aid, a visual calendar, would you say, in Canva, so that I can actually see what I'm posting and when I'm going to post it. Because I think that being a visual person like I am and creative, sometimes it's hard to sort of see it if it's not on paper or visually, if that makes any sense. I hope that does. So I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to show you what I did now. I'm not 100% happy with what I've done, but it's helping me sort of focus so that next week I can get a little better and a little better and a little better. But I want to use the planner. I don't want it to be sitting here and looking at it because it is so pretty, but I want to use it and I want it to be useful and I want to be accountable. And so that's why I'm going to post these videos and show you what I do, and hopefully it'll help you and it'll help me, because I'll be using it and hopefully get more successful at doing my tasks, following through, checking things off, getting things out of my brain onto the paper, and being more successful. So let me turn this around. I'm going to show you exactly what I've done. Here's my calendar. Okay, so we start off, come into January. This is a solid piece of paper. I did delineate with the green mark here, and I put the blue here so that when you turn over the pages like this, you can see the difference. So what I did is I took a small washi tape like this. I bought them at Michaels, I just bought some different colors, and I like that they're thin so that they don't take up a lot of space. So I did a line right here, and this is my workout. So this is Melissa Wood Health, this is walk. I'm supposed to go to the gym these days, and so I'll add that later. And then these are what I need to do. So I need to film and edit a 2 eyeshadow look. I need to go live in my Facebook group, post the eyeshadows, do the filming for my YouTube channel, and then it goes down like this, right? So I made a mistake, so I was able to erase it because we love that this has an eraser on it. Anyway, over here in the main month, like I said earlier, I started with the Mondays, and this is a gray line that the office is closed. My main office is closed, and then this is New Year's. I have lunch with my parents, so I added all those. I have cleaners every other week. I have some book club evenings, and so I just did some personal things, but mainly this. I think I need to get little stickers so that I know when I'm posting things. Maybe that would make it easier because my handwriting is kind of big, and I'm not sure if it'll look or if it'll be able to fit with a smaller pen. So then for this, I decided to use just what I need to get done. Then over here are like tasks that are due on the day. For instance, I have to do payroll on Monday, and then I have these small post-its, you can see them up here, that I'm trying to figure out where to put them and how to use them so I could move them from place to place. I think they also go this way, so that's helpful as well. So let me put that back over here. And then for over here, I wanted to write down the books for my book club that I need to do, and then these are the rest of the days. As you can see, I have things listed. Sorry, I have them listed like this. I don't want to get ahead of myself, so I just put this here as a placeholder to remind myself, and I was trying to figure out how to use these Post-its. So if we flip through, you can see, actually I'll go back. You can see that this is, because it's the first week, it's on the first page, and then it goes by week like that. So I started my second week, and that's all I did because I want to make sure I'm doing it the right way. And I don't know if I want to keep my evening plans in here or if I want to move that. So I'm just going to work a week at a time. And then when you get to the back, if you flip through all the weeks, we have our habit tracker, and I'm doing a challenge that's 10,000 steps, no sugar and no alcohol. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for, maybe water intake or other habits that I want to do, maybe reading or getting off my phone or something. And then I have to put this You Are Here ruler in, but I took that out so that I could write on the pages. And then I did things that work for my business. So these are needle movers. So color matches, film, edit, post, go live, stories. I did that there. And then for stories, I have, what I could post. And these are project plan inserts that's in addition to the regular planner that you would get. And then in the back, I did posts. So this would be the day of the week, the date of the month. So the first, if I did a hair, makeup, affiliates, and then this is what the key code would be for that. And then on this is my big monthly to do this month, and this is going to be a brain dump. So I need to figure out how I'm going to use this section right here. And I think it's going to be ideas for what I want to post and things like that. Oh, and you can see I have a sticker that I put on that I took off that I didn't want to use. So I'm using this bigger sticker to put ideas and where to put things. And that's what I'm doing there. So I've got these Post-its that fit in the calendar. I have my washi. I have got my erasable pens, these Pilot pens. Again, I think I'm going to need to buy the smaller ones. I've got some highlighters because I feel like I should highlight the different lives and get ready with these and all that. And then I just bought a sticker pack just to have fun and see if they would fit. But the spots are kind of small in here, so I feel like maybe I didn't need those stickers for in here, because you can see, for instance, that's kind of a big sticker. This is a small little dot sticker, so I'm playing with that. So that is my first attempt at working with my planner, and hopefully I'll be able to fine-tune how I like to use it, what best way to use it so that it's efficient. And like I said earlier in the video, I want to just keep it really simple. I don't want to overcomplicate. I do like using the line so that I can separate some things. I don't think I need the bigger stickers that I got. I think I need just a few little ones that, say, like maybe garbage day, cleaner day, that you can get these little tiny ones. So I'm going to look into those. Anything that I get that I purchase, I'll link below so that you can have it too. But this is just my initial start because, like I said, you just have to get the pen on the paper and start, because otherwise you're not going to use it. And I don't want to worry about messing it up. I just want to get what's in my head down here, and I want to be efficient. So hopefully you like that video. I'm going to be doing these weekly, and you will be seeing my train of thought and how I evolve with the planner. And then I will also be sharing what I use in Canva and how I do different things in Canva, from graphics to covers to all the things that I do in Canva. So hopefully that'll help you as well when you're doing your posts, your reels, your stories, and all that, because I find that can be complicated as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe so that you get notified of new videos. I will be doing a section in YouTube just for graphics, planning, and things like that. And then obviously there are the hair videos and the makeup videos as well. But because it all ties in together and it's all part of Ridgely's Radar, I'm going to keep it all under one umbrella and one YouTube channel. So thank you so much. I'm sure I was all over the place in this video, so I really appreciate you being here with me. If you have any tips or tricks, or if you're a planner, let me know. I would love to chat with you back and forth here of the ways that you use your planner, and maybe you have some good resources for me, because I am deep diving into this and I feel like I am learning so much about how to get better organized with less and be more efficient. So hopefully that'll help you, and hopefully we'll be going together on this journey and it helps you in some way as well. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.